Okay, so what we got here right now is your inspector robot, and first thing you have to do is charge your battery. So this is what we're going to concentrate right now. So the way that you do that, first you're going to turn the vehicle toward you, and you have here the charging port of the battery. There is two of them. One is going from the top, and this is for the receiver, and one is going in the other side, whoops, over there, and this is going for driving the vehicle. So what we need to do is, this is when you get your brand new charger. First of all, you're going to open it up and pull it out of the bag. It's brand new. You're going to make sure everything's going to work, and then you're going to have here your plug to the wall. And when you plug it to the wall, it's going to have a little bit of delay. It's have about 5 to 10 seconds delay. And this delay, what it does, it's actually going to start the system for you. So let's unwind it and plug it over here to the wall real quick. And then if you look, it will take a couple seconds. And then it's going to turn on. Okay, so now our charger is set. Now, before you even get into the plugs in the box, there is a couple different settings here, so always pay attention that you're charging the battery like it should be on the right setting. Let's pull this battery out. This battery is 2500 milliamp. I'm sorry, 5200 milliamp, 7.4 volt. And when you have the 5200 milliamp battery, you can charge it at 5 to 6 amp, and this one is a 7.4 volt. So what we're going to go and do here, we're going to go to the LiPo battery. So we have battery type. On the battery type, we're going to go in, and it was already in LiPo. I just want to show the other option. So you're going to scroll until you see here LiPo. Then you're going to enter to start. Then there is different option. There is balance charge. You don't want balance. They have a positive and negative. You're going to go on the positive until you see charge. Then you press enter. The value is 2S. This battery is a 2S. We're going to go up to 2S. Then press it again. How big is the battery? This battery is 5200 milliamp. So we're going to go 1, 2, and now it's 5200 milliamp. And how fast we want to charge it at 5.2 amp. Now it's ready to go. Now, next thing that we want to do is to get over here the cable that's supposed to work this device. And there is two of them. This is first your meter for the battery. You don't really need to use it unless you're balancing, but we're going to use it anyway right now. It's going to go right there. And then you have the multi-plug that will hook up to the batteries. And please make sure red go to red, black go to black. I cannot emphasize how much it's important. Now, we have the battery. We're going to plug our battery. And now make sure that it's secure. Now, we have over here this little guy. This plug for the 2S will plug in inside. What this is going to give the charger is the ability to check how much juice there is in the battery when you start charging it, to see if you can use it again. So let's start. So to start the charge, you're going to hold the enter for 2 seconds, and then it starts the charge. So now make sure LiPo 2S, how fast is charge, what is the voltage in the battery, and then how much is putting in. If you press the status button over here, you jump up, you will see cell 1 and cell 2 are at 3.95, 3.95. So this battery is borderline empty. So what we're doing right now, we're going to charge it, and then if you go back again, you see cell 3, cell 4, those are not exist for you. They will be at 0 because we have 2 cells. When it's done charging, it will beep, and then end of the story, and you're gonna go and run the vehicle. Now, if we disconnect it right now, it will tell you that it's not working. So just so you know, if you disconnect it, this is what will happen, nothing else. Now, we have another battery on this vehicle, and the second battery that we have over here is going to be the battery that actually run the vehicle, and it's coming out from here. The wire for it come out there. So for this battery, you just plug it in again, and you go back to the same system for the LiPo 2-cell 5200. You're holding it in, and it will start charging your battery. As simple as that. Nothing else need to be done. This is all you need to do. This is how to charge your battery. If you have any question, please give me a call. 323-496-5757. It's very important that you're not doing anything wrong and catch fire and burn your machine. So please, if you have any question, you give me a call before you're going to go and charge it. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your other friends that have the same vehicle. My next video is going to be about how to operate it.